Ever notice how a cricket might stop chirping when you walk into a room? It's because it detects a big air disturbance and doesn't know if you're a friend or foe. Nature has inspired scientific and engineering innovations for hundreds of years. In fact, scientists at the Air Force Research Lab are using technology inspired by the fine hairs on bats and crickets. Both bats and crickets have fine hairs that they use to sense the changes in their environment. The lab hypothesized that if they could engineer similar hairs at the surface of an aircraft, they could enable an agile flight system that can detect air changes and fly by feel. That's why the lab's artificial hair sensor team has created a lightweight artificial hair sensor that mimics those of natural flyers. The goal is to change the course of agile flight by replacing bulky bolted-on sensors that result in single-point measurements and delayed sensing. These improved hair-like sensors work by reacting to the air that flows over each sensor. The airflow is compressed by a carbon nanotube at the base of the sensor, causing a change in the resistance between the electrodes. This info is then analyzed by a brain-like neural network where an algorithm processes and dictates a response. To test the sensors, the team used pressure wave tubes and wind tunnels within the Aerospace Systems Directorate to validate the sensor's durability and sensitivity to speed. This new technology of distributed smart sensors will give aerial systems an improved way to assess the external environment and change maneuvers during flight. Ultimately, the artificial hair sensors are one way that teams at AFRL continue to advance technology in the state-of-the-art Air Force systems both now and in the future.